Ayan. Ako po yung ano niya. H mo.
2020, 21, 22.
All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have
dumating na yung lagi na lang talaga.
Inspiration ngayon is si Puka.
Magsiswimming siya kanina, pero chinat ko, sinabi ko, parang
Kaya
gusto
na-late
ko na. Akala mo pupunta sa Boracay.
Ano
o,
tayo
diba?
ngayon? Summer.
Ako OTD ko lang zebra today. Pigeons dito. Napakinin mo sila, pero...
Ano na siya ngayon? Pigeon trainer.
A little bit. I think you like him.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So today, we're gonna plan something.
Wait lang.
Wait. Wait, yung ano ko, yung hair ko. Ay, sabag. Uy, may lumapit eh. Pale siya.
Marami pa ba?
Some pigeons here in Venice Grand. Tanama. So, let's see how many pigeons we're gonna come.
For a while.
Not so crowded place. It's not like in the beach where you can like grab some food. Just
Hi vlog ulit. So kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Ramen Kuroda. We really had fun chatting together. Venice Grand Canal na to. So we're here to roam around. Chill.
ano lang, first brightening kasi parang...
Sige, happy birthday.
First yung happy birthday ko.
Heart ba yun?
May salamin pala akong ganun.